followers. Well, here is the schematic for the protection circuit on the FT-7000 linear amplifier. And it looks like this transistor is shorted. A couple of these, one of these is open and one of them is shorted. So these basically will drive these opto isolators. Well, this is actually a triac circuit. There is an LED in here which is infrared, and it will activate these two circuits to turn the fans on, and the fans are connected here, power amplifier fan and power supply fan. So at any rate, I'm not sure why or how these transistors got blown up, but AI basically told me that this circuit feeding AC into here, and if you look down here, you'll see that there's AC 18 volts coming into this thing, and from what I read, that is used to stabilize the fans when they're turned on to some type of cycle so they won't spike or something. So these are more or less gating the LED in these to turn on at a certain time. And I think these basically ground that LED, and the other current for the LED in here, I think they're putting it in series with the LED on the panel, which is interesting. I think they're doing that. So this caution minus basically goes to the power supply temp LED on the front panel. This caution plus is 12 volts coming in. This caution minus goes to the LED, the minus side of that LED. This is the plus side of that LED, and I think this thing's railed to 12 volts. So if you look over here, caution plus is going to a 12 volt rail right here. And so caution plus comes down here and runs over to here. So that's going right into the sensor on the power amplifier and the sensor on the power supply. And so if those sensors are closed from heat, that will then activate this. And that's the LED on this chip, and those are in parallel. There's two LEDs here, LED and LED, triac and triac, and that's the positive part of it. The negative then is gated by these and through a diode, and then it's gated by, this is very confusing, gated by this guy, I guess, which is on the panel. But that should light. So there's something else that should be gating this, and I think that's, okay, that's down to here. So this is a hard gate here. When it gets to 60 Celsius, this will slam down and ground that thing immaterially. That becomes a hard ground, and that will light up that LED. However, I found that wasn't the case, and I think 7 I have here shorted. So this is grounded. So I think this is shorted here on 7. This goes to this. Damn this thing. This goes to here, and then I have a direct short. So I'm ordering a bunch of these transistors from Bojack on Amazon. So I think when I replace this one is shorted, and I think one of these is like open or something. That ought to make things better. And then I want to test if the fans work by shorting out the sensors on the PA and on the PS. Anyway, this protection board is becoming quite a pain in the keister, so what have I done? So now I'm ordering parts. So I'm getting 400 volt non-polarized capacitors. They had 100 volt in here. I'm going to put in 400 volt. And then these transistors, the Japanese kind, are these C1815s that our friend Bojack at Amazon gives us. So these C1815s have the same pinout, which is whacked because they go like collector, emitter, base with the Japanese ones. And I don't want to screw around with changing wires around. I just want to drop them in with a flat face the same way and they work. So I think that will work out for these two SC1815s. I think here in Bojack land, they just call that a C1815. So C1815 is the same thing from what AI told me. So I think that's going to be all right. These, I'm wondering why did these transistors burn out? And so I figured if these are messed up or shorted, that's going to cause trouble. So I couldn't see they were shorted, but I don't trust them. So I'm going to pull those out and put in new ones. And those are these right here, C13 and C12. Those are rather large on the board. And yeah, those are 100 working volt non-polarized. I'm going to put in these, which are non-polarized 400 volts. Those should work a little better. I hope they fit. So that's what I'm up to, peeps. So in a few days, these will come in and we'll get to work. So I'm not rushing this amplifier. I'm just taking it easy and trying to do it right because I'll blow it up otherwise. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.